free school supply sa kinder. Sa kinder as a nursery. Yan yung books. Personal hygiene. May panyo, may sabon, may shampoo, face mask, tapos may gunting. May play. Alphabet. Yan o. Alphabet. Fruits and vegetables. Shapes, colors, numbers, animals. Gustong pangangalaga ng katawan. Imi habit. Mga katangian ng batang Pilipino.